Hi, even though I'm retired, sometimes I have a time, sometimes I don't, and therefore sometimes I can make these videos and upload, and sometimes I have no time. Yet I have my plans which I can announce here. Will it be implemented or not? I don't know. We will see. Some of my colleagues ask me why don't I start giving gene expression videos because they know me from gene expression courses, and my answer is yes, okay, I can. And second part is a Python for data analysis. It's not just full-scale Python, it's only a part for data analysis. I'm still thinking about it. I hope I will make it, but probably after I will tell you story of a gene expression. Why gene expression? The short answer is because I did those courses in my University of Groningen. Secondly, and more seriously, gene expression is a part of the genomics data and data analysis. It is a very important part in diagnostics, in fundamental science, and you cannot live without knowing gene expression nowadays. I mean, you cannot live as a specialist in molecular and cell biology without knowing this part of the genomics. That's the former view on the institute, which doesn't exist anymore. This is our campus in a sunny day, which still exists in a sunny day. So, what's the plan? It will be a story about differential gene expression protocols in R and only in R. All chapters will be more or less connected to the same story. How do we make it? And then running ahead, asking yourself, why do I need it? Why bother with programming? The answer is you can hire a smart guy for the programming and writing, messing up with the scripts, but you will never understand what he tells you, and he will never understand what you tell him. There is a persistent communication problem between different disciplines, and do not expect a smart guy to learn biology. You better, as being from biology, learn some elements which a smart guy knows. On this way, I do not expect you to be a super R guy. Don't mix it up with the Superman. The latter is different. You cannot become a genomics guru in an instant. Everything takes time. And the illusion you get from the courses and tutorials that everything is fast and easy, it is illusion because you do not really know how much time I spent, for instance, preparing all this stuff. The purpose is obvious: to get the idea and to try it yourself. The program is not exactly the math. It is replacement of the math. So instead of writing equations, you simply call in functions which call equations. And therefore, programming, in a way, it is more language than math. And please, while you're writing your scripts, set your keyboard on English. It is so annoyingly frequent error that people forget it and then they say, oh, why my script is not working? Well, During the exercises, pay attention to the size of the data. It can be reasonably small, but it can be also very big, and therefore for very big data use a workstation, something more powerful than your laptop. You also have to learn outside of this course how to communicate from your laptop to the workstation. In the past I used MC, which is simply for file transfer, SSH for executing some programs from the black screen. I also use AnyDesk, but I don't use it anymore, and you might think of some programs like AnyDesk working distantly on some other workstation, but not exactly AnyDesk. Just look for yourself. That's more or less the plan.